Have you ever wondered if everything in the universe is somehow connected? Modern physics tells us that what we perceive as separate objects is actually part of a larger, interconnected whole. Today, we'll explore how science reveals this undivided wholeness. Physicist David Bohm believed that the universe operates on two levels: the implicate order, a hidden layer where everything is interconnected and enfolded, and the explicate order, the visible layer, or the world we see and experience. Bohm's vision likened the universe to a hologram, where each part contains the whole. What appears separate to us is merely a projection of a larger unified reality. Undivided wholeness can further be explained through the scientific concept known as quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles that were once connected but are now separated by vast distances even across galaxies. Measuring one particle instantly affects the other, regardless of how far apart they are. This phenomenon, called quantum entanglement, challenges classical intuition and reveals a profound interconnectedness at the quantum level. Inspired by Bohm's ideas, John Stuart Bell developed the famous Bell's inequality, a groundbreaking theory that tested the nature of reality and interconnectedness. Bell's work laid the foundation for experiments by Nobel Prize-winning physicists John Clauser, Alain Aspect, and Anton Zeilinger, whose groundbreaking research confirmed that particles are truly linked even across vast distances. These experiments, based on Bell's theorem, proved that the universe operates beyond local interactions. Similar interactions are observed in the holographic principle, which proposes that all the information in our three-dimensional universe is encoded on a two-dimensional surface, much like a hologram. This principle, rooted in studies of black holes and advanced by physicists like Juan Maldacena, suggests that the universe's interconnectedness is not just metaphorical, but fundamental to its structure. Another fascinating theory that supports the idea of undivided wholeness is quantum field theory. In quantum field theory, particles aren't separate objects. They are ripples in invisible fields that stretch across the universe. These fields interact to create everything we observe, from light to matter. This shows us that, at its core, the universe is one giant interconnected system. The cosmic web also illustrates the concept of undivided wholeness. On the largest scale, the universe forms a massive network of galaxies and dark matter filaments that stretches across billions of light years, connecting everything. Even galaxies far apart can influence each other, showing how nothing in the universe stands alone. Even gravitational waves signify interconnectedness. Einstein's theory of general relativity revealed that space-time is like a flexible fabric. Massive events, such as black hole collisions, create gravitational waves that ripple across the universe. These waves connect distant parts of space, showing how everything is tied together. From quantum particles to the cosmic web, from holograms to gravitational waves, the list goes on. But the universe speaks a language of unity. Modern science reveals that what seems separate is actually part of a single unified whole. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.